18 different types of motorcycles explained. A motorcycle, often referred to as a motorbike or bike, is a 2- or 3-wheeled motor vehicle. A motorcycle can be classified into 6 groups: standard, cruiser, touring, sports, off-road, and dual-purpose. Types of motorcycles. Number 1. Standard motorcycle. Also known as roadsters, these motorcycles are mainly used for traveling on roads. These motorcycles range from 125cc up to 1,000cc and can be fitted with luggage, a tank bag, and a separate seat. Number 2. Cruiser. Similarly to hybrid bikes, cruiser bikes have an upright riding position and a large, comfortable seat, making them ideal for casual riding. Some cruisers were built by Harley-Davidson, Indian, and Excelsior Henderson. Number 3. Chopper. A chopper is a type of motorcycle that uses a radically modified steering angle and taller forks for an elongated appearance. Number 4. Touring. Touring motorcycles are specially designed for long-distance travel. These motorcycles are more comfortable, smoother, and stable and offer far more storage compartments than other bikes. Touring motorcycles can travel up to 125 miles on a full tank, while others can go up to 200 miles. Number 5. Sport bike. A sport bike is a motorcycle designed and optimized for speed, acceleration, braking, and cornering on race tracks and roads. These motorbikes are generally built with high-performance engines supported within a lightweight frame. Number 6. Off-road motorcycle. As the name suggests, these motorcycles are specially designed for off-road use. These are best for handling rough terrain with their updated exhaust and high ground clearance. Number 7. Motocross. Motocross is a form of off-road motorcycling designed for use in races on short, closed, off-road tracks with various obstacles. These bikes are built to compete in outdoor events with rough terrain and tight turns. Number 8. Trails. A trail motorcycle is a small motorcycle intended for off-road riding, as with dirt trails. It is the most popular sport bike in the United Kingdom and Spain, although it has participants worldwide. Number 9. Enduro bikes. An enduro motorcycle is a modified version of a trial motorcycle in motocross. It is an off-road racing motorcycle used in enduros, which are long-distance cross-country trails used in time trial competitions. Number 10. Dual-purpose motorcycle. A dual-purpose motorcycle is a type of motorcycle designed for both on- and off-road usage. Their chassis is usually based on a dirt bike, but they have lights, mirrors, signals, and instruments that make them legal on public roads. Number 11. Snowmobile. Also known as a ski-doo, it is a motorized vehicle designed for winter travel and recreation on snow. Since it runs on snow and ice, it does not require a road but can run on most open terrain. These types of motorcycles usually have no enclosures except a windshield. Number 12. Scooter. Scooters are motorcycles with an underbone frame, a seat, and a platform for the rider's feet that emphasize comfort and fuel efficiency. Number 13. Underbone. An underbone uses structural tube framing with an overlay of plastic or non-structural body panels, which act as both the vehicle's structure and bodywork. Number 14. Moped. Surprisingly, a moped is technically different from a scooter. Number 15. Enclosed motorcycle. A cabin motorcycle is a type of motorcycle that is either fully or semi-enclosed. In the 1920s, they first appeared in Eastern Europe, known as downhicks. Cabin motorcycles and streamliner motorcycles are categories of enclosed motorcycles. Number 16. Tricycle. Also known as a trike motorcycle, it is a three-wheeled vehicle built based on bicycle or motorcycle technology powered by an electric motor, motorcycle, scooter, or car engine. Number 17. ATV motorcycle. Also known as a quad bike or light utility vehicle, it is a type of motorcycle that runs on low-pressure tires with an extended operator seat with handlebars for steering control. Engine sizes for ATVs range from 49 to 1,000 cc, 3.0 to 61 cubic inches. Number 18. Utility motorcycles. Many motorcycles are specially designed for specific jobs, such as ambulances, flood bikes, fire and military services, as well as delivery services, such as pizza delivery. Thanks for watching.